Hello, my mathematicians. This is Miss Foster with Math in Focus, Grade 4, Chapter 5, Lesson 1, Average. This is a kind of math that I use all the time, and I'm so excited to teach it to you. An average means what you would get if you had the same number of things, but everything was even. For an example, I have created a little graph here of the favorite color of some imaginary fourth graders. 2 of them liked this blue, 4 of them liked neon green, and 3 of them liked orange the best. You can see that the different colors are not even. The blue one is 2 less than the green, and the green is 1 more than the orange. They're not even. But what if they were? What we might do is knock these towers all down, like this, and then we would build our graph again, trying to see if we can give each column the same number. To do that, I've got to know how many are in my pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 kids told me their favorite colors. And now we had 3 colors to begin with, so I'm going to divide this into 3 equal groups. And I'm not going to care so much about all of the groups having the same color in them. I just want to know if everybody picked the colors evenly, what would that be? So I'm going to move them around into a completely different kind of graph. And you can see as I finish here that the towers are now even. The average of favorite colors is 3 because there are 3 of each square in each tower. Let's try averaging a different data set. 4 students sold stickers for charity. The table shows the number of stickers each student sold, and the title tells us that it is about the number of stickers sold for charity. You'll notice we have 4 children here, and I just want to point out that their names go A, B, C, D. It's just a little way of organizing. 4 children sold these stickers. When we look at the stickers, we can see that Diana sold quite a few, and Abe rather a lot less. The average would be if we took all these stickers and divided them equally between the 4 kids, and just imagine that they'd all sold a total of these stickers, but everybody had sold the same amount. It's a different way for us to understand a data set or a group of numbers. So I like to stack them like this. Your book will sometimes have you write them out like in this fashion. I like to look for friends of 10, and I immediately see that 8 plus 2 is 10, so I'll regroup that, and 0 plus 6 is 6. To count up my tens place, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So the kids sold a total of 76 stickers. Adding them together is sort of like knocking them down into one big pile. But now I want to give them back to the 4 kids so that each child gets the same amount. And we'll do that by finding 76 divided into 4 groups. Now you might be looking at this and saying, Miss Foster, that looks like an improper fraction. What's going on there? Well, there's a huge relationship between fractions and division. This is another way to show 76 divided by 4. I'm going to write it out this way though, because I just love long addition or long division. So I'm going to start in the tens place. 4 goes once into 7. 4 times 1 is 4 tens. And when I subtract them out, I am left with 36. Then I remember that 4 times 9 equals 36, which will take up all of the stickers. And so the average is 19 stickers. Now I have never understood why this is, but some people refer to the average as the mean number. And they don't mean that the number is being cruel or unkind. It just seems to be a synonym for average. So you're going to need to learn to use both of these words to mean the same thing. Let's use the mean to find the total. May was on vacation for 5 days. She spent an average of $13 each day. How much did she spend altogether in 5 days? Well, when we got the average, we took the total amount of money and we divided it by the number of days. So what we need to do now is reverse that and do $13 times 5 days, which gives me a lovely chance to practice my long multiplication. 5 times 3 in the single ones place is 15. I'll trade up those tens and regroup them. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So she spent a total of $65 in those days. We don't know how much she spent on any of those individual 5 days, but we know that she spent a total of $65. And you can see here that if you knew you were going on vacation and you were going to spend an average of $13 a day, then it would help you to plan out how much money to bring. Friends, averaging is such a wonderful tool for understanding data sets. Teachers use it all the time when we're figuring out your grades, so you'll really want to wrap your brain around this. Thanks for playing averaging with me. Bye-bye for now.